ভক্তবৃন্দ সমন্বিতম শ্রীচৈতন্য প্রভুং বন্দে নিত্যানন্দ সহোদিতম শ্রীনন্দনন্দনং বন্দে শ্রীরাধিকা চরণোদ্বয়ম শ্রীগোপীজন সমাযুক্তং শ্রীবৃন্দাবনো মনোহরম শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি গৌর ভক্তবৃন্দ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All glories to Harinam Chintamani. All glories to assembled devotees. According to our previous discussion from yesterday, জ্ঞান কর্ম গত যে ভক্তির গৌণ পদ, জ্ঞান কর্ম the secondary path to practice bhakti. But in Kali Yuga, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, কলিকালে দূষিত হয়ে যাবে, কলিকাল in this iron age both are become polluted. Why? निष्काम ज्ञान योग, निष्काम कर्म योग, अलय सकाम, something we need. Lord Chaitanya niskam means without any desire, do some karma. It's a nishkam. He says, "Yo hoy" means it is applicable, but it is not the super. Therefore, in Kali Yuga, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Kali Yuga, in this iron age, sadhur parivarte dharmadhajir prabalya, means instead of real sadhu, so many so-called sadhu looks like they are observing religiosity, but they are not. They are involving with so many other material object. This is not my explanation. Don't blame me. Actually, it is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. This he wrote, প্রকৃত সাধুর পরিবর্তে ধর্মধ্বজির প্রাবল্য. Instead of real sadhu, so many so-called religious person in the name of sadhu in present society. বিষয় ভোগের লালসায় কর্ম দ্বারা কেবল হৃদয় শুদ্ধির অনাদর প্রবল. বিষয় ভোগ means for enjoyment. Greedy for enjoyment. You can see big temple, means big temple, they have big houses. Even you don't have such type of accommodation. Nowadays, our sadhus accommodation, such opulence. But you can see our sixth Goswami, even my spiritual master, I saw his accommodation. This tiny bed for sleeping. And beside there is so many books, bookshelf, but very dilapidated condition. Floor is not marble, but it looks like a cement floor. That I have seen my spiritual master. Also, if you go to Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta's accommodation in Bagbazar, whatever, wherever he used to stay, very tiny accommodation. It was such a simple, tiny. We are not able to think about it nowadays. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote like this: Vishoy bhogre laloshay karma dara kebol riddhi suddhir anadar prabal. Riddhi suddhi means just a so-called pure, but Vishoy bhog, always need some enjoyment. So many people we need. If you alone no one staying. Very difficult to find great sadhu sitting alone. Back and forth, so many secretary, so many rules and regulation. They are keeping appointments based disciples coming and meet with them. Such type of things. So what they're supposed to focus, like chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra with focus towards Radha Krishna. But nowadays we can see what is going on. So therefore, Srila Bhaktivinoda says, Sutarang Gauna Pad Gandara Ar Mongol Hoyana. Therefore, because of the Kali Yuga's influence, that karma again is not giving us any auspicious now. Gaunapad means secondary path, which is secondary path? Na Jnana Karma. But in Dwapara Yuga, Treta Yuga and Satya Yuga, means golden age, silver age and copper age, there was some chance through Jnana and Karma. People can enter bhakti. But nowadays, because of this Kali Yuga's influence, Bhaktivinoda says, Sutarang Gauna Padara Ar Mongol Hoyana. Because of this Kali's influence, hypocrisy, deception, so this karma, Jnana karma is not make our life auspicious. দাপরে যে মুখ্য পথরূপ অর্চন প্রদর্শিত হইয়াছিল তাহা নানা দৈরাত্মে দূষিত প্রায় হইল. In Dwapara there is a procedure to worship. It was there, but that also worshipping also become polluted. Because nowadays you can see our worshipping procedure, not that much focus. How much we focus other thing in temple. You can see nowadays most of the pujari, they are, you can see they are just like a paid pujari. Not only that, they are not qualified to follow the ritual. I have seen many pujari. I ask them, what mantra you are doing when we are offering Radha Krishna on bed? You know Hare Krishna? Actually mantra should be like this. Agaccha shayana sthanang priyabhisha keshava divya pushpadda sajjayam sukhang biharo madhavam. Agaccha means please come down. Where? Divya, transcendental flower bed. Agaccha shayana sthanam, flower bed for lying on the bed. What purpose? Na sukhang bihara madhava, manifest pastime, to take rest. This is the mantra. But nowadays, of course, bhakti is the most important part. Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is bhakti. But nowadays, pujari have different interest. After puja, they have some different program. Therefore, they are doing very fast puja. Therefore, in Dwapara Yuga, when puja means worshipping, it was the path from jnana and karma to get bhakti. But due to the influence of Kali, that puja also become polluted. Dushita praya hoilo. Dushita means become polluted. Why polluted? Because our object of worship is not, most of the time, is not pleasing the Lord. Sometimes we want to show people how much beautifully we decorated the deities. You can see in these different temple how they manage, how they keep their ritual puja. You know, if you give them money, then give you they offer garland to Lord, again they will take it and offer you. All the money connection, not like a heart connection. This is the main problem. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur mentioned about it. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. This is everything explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his commentary. Just I am translating that. Then পৃথক উপায় ধরি উপেয় সাধনে বিঘ্ন বহুতর হইল জীবেরও জীবনে. Different means পৃথক উপায়, different path, different path of practice to reach the object of our service. বিঘ্ন বহুতর হইল জীবের জীবনে. There are also so many obstacles in the life of living entities. In this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, what he said, just I'm going there and trying to read the translation. It is in Bengali language, but I'm trying to explain, I'm trying to translate in English language with my best ability. যাহার অবলম্বনে উপায় বস্তু পাওয়া যায় তাহাই উপায়, means which things we follow and reach the object of worship. That things is our only way to reach. Means to whom we accept. You can say in this way, which way we are able to reach the object of worship, that is the path. We have to follow. Upaya sadhan dara ja labh hoy tahai upayo. When we find the path perfectly, then we get the object, means then we reach the object of worship. Sadhaner namantar upaya. Actually, practice means to find some path. Sadhya namantar upayo. Sadhya means object of worship, is called upaya, means object of worship. To reach object of worship is called upayo. In Bengali language, upayo. Parameshwar prasadi sarvajige charam upayo va sadhya. Supreme Lord's mercy is the ultimate upayo, ultimate way to reach the object of worship. Supreme Lord mercy of Supreme Lord is ultimate way to reach object of worship for all living beings. Sarvajive, all living beings, that is the only way, mercy of Supreme Lord. For all living beings, for them, mercy of Supreme Lord is only the way to reach object of worship. Karma জ্ঞান সে উপায় বা সাধ্যের মুখ্য সাধন নয়। Karma and জ্ঞান, that way, not allowing us to reach the object of worship, sadhya. It is not prime practice. Jnana karma is not the prime practice. It is the secondary. কেননা তাহারা উপায়ের নিকটস্থ হইলেই স্বরূপত লুপ্ত হয়। When they are upaya means when they are but during the practice, when they are near to nikatastha hoile upaya, when kenona tahara upaya nikatastha hoile swarupote lupto hoy. When they are near to the upaya means to object of worship. When they are near to the object of worship, they become disappear. Naam sadhan sarup noy. Lord chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, this practice is not like that. Naam Parameshwar hoite abhinna. Holy name is non-different from Supreme Lord. সুতরাং সাধ্য উপায় রূপে সাধন উপায় রূপ নাম স্বয়ং বর্তমান থাকেন। Therefore, সাধ্য and object of spiritual practice means to reach Supreme Lord. And upaya means sadhana. Sadhana means the practice, like Harinam. Both means they are roop and nam, their form and name, both are together. But there is no difference between Supreme Lord and His name. They are always together. এই তত্ত্বটি বিশেষ সৌভাগ্য বলেই জানা যায়, যে সৌভাগ্য বলেই জানা যায়। This absolute truth, when we have special, when we become really lucky, then we are able to know it. Therefore, you can see the people who doesn't know anything about ritual of karma, ritual of jnana, to sit, they're just thinking, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra only, no other object taking place in their life. So, even the Lord Chaitanya also explained there. Prabhu kaya kahilam ei mahamantra. Lord Chaitanya say, I am telling you, there is this mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. This mahamantra. Iha japo giya sabe koriya nirbandha. To chant Hare Krishna mahamantra attentively and keeping count also. Then after that you say, Yahoite sarva siddhi hoibe sabar. All type of perfection you can get through the chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Sarvakkhana bolo ite vidhi nahi yaar. All the time you can chant, there is no rules and regulation for the chanting. Means, of course, rules and regulations are there. We should be completely vegetarian or take prasadam only. But what do you mean the rules and regulations? What means? There is no particular time, dress. There's, if you want to chant, your morning time you have to chant. It's not like that. Any time. During the time of eating, during the time of walking, driving, whenever you have time, get time just to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and then you can have the benefit. Because for us, sadhan Harinam, Sadha also Harinam. Because their name, the name and his form is not different. Sadhan means practice, Sadha means to attain. An object of worship, to attain. Attain. What we attain? To become service, to get service, to become servant of Supreme Lord. This is sadhan. Sadhan Harinam. Both are same for us. Therefore, jnana karma in Kali Yuga, Bhaktivinoda Thakur not appreciating for us. Better for us to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Vigna bahutara hoila jiver jan jivana. So, this upayo, prithak but different. Therefore, practice become difficult. Karma gyan, ritual is so much. Therefore, so much obstacles we are following, we are facing. And what obstacle? Now, if you want to perform any fire sacrifice, first of all you have to know that priest should be completely free from all disease. When a cow ghee to offer fire sacrifice on, ghee means clarify a butter you have to offer to the fire. That butter should prepare by that cow which cow gave milk cow, gave birth milk cow. Only that milk applicable. From that milk, when you prepare the clarify butter means ghee, that ghee is applicable for fire sacrifice. So many obstacles. Even the wood should not cut from the tree. It should be dry and fall from the tree. Particular the tree also should be selected, not like all type of tree. It should be either sandalwood, either salwood, either teak wood, either bale wood. Bale means wooden apple fruits from that tree also, and mango tree. Such type of wood is prescribed for fire sacrifice. Each element, there is some rules, there is some obstacles. Therefore, in Kali Yuga, best way to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting is our sadhana, and Hare Krishna Mahamantra is our sadhana, means we will attain that. Hare Krishna Mahamantra actually, what happened? It teach embodiment of pure love for Krishna. It appeared from Golok Vrindavan. And if you chant it, that name, when you are able to chant with purity, when it's without offenses, then this name will take us to Golok, back to Golok. Take us to Golok means Lord's abode, which abode is completely blissful. Completely blissful. I am telling you, there is no distress. Therefore, all we want to reach over there. I was chanting and reach over there. No any other good, no karma. Real devotee, they don't want any karma's benefit. Real devotee. What is the benefit of karma? Karma's benefit is material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, distinction, desire, fulfilling this material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, distinction, just the. And jnana, what is the benefit to observe jnani? This path, to get liberation. I already explained you. Actually, what jnanis think about to merge with the Lord, actually they are not merging with the Lord. They are actually merging the ray of Lord, where the Lord lying down on Biroja river, which is called marginal potency. So where we are originally coming from, they are going back, again they are coming back. They should come back here in the material world again. So forget about jnana and karma path and think about only Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting. This is bhakti path in this Kali Yuga, in this irony. Nama alochana mukha pathe. And then when you are chanting this prime path, chanting is the prime path. প্রভু তুমি জীবের মঙ্গল চিন্তা করি কলি যুগে নাম সঙ্গে স্বয়ং অবতরী যুগ ধর্ম প্রচারিলে নাম সংকীর্তন মুখ্য পথে জি পায় কৃষ্ণ প্রেমধন. Very difficult to translate, Prabhu Tumi, oh my Lord, in order to make life auspicious, means living entities' life auspicious. You, O Lord, you appear in this iron age. Himself will appear here in the iron age in the form of name. Kali Yuga Naam Sangha. You can the similar code we can say from Chaitanya Charitamrita that Kali Kale Namarupe Krishna avatar in this iron age of deception, Kali Yuga, Krishna appear in the form of his name. Naam hoit hoibe sarva jagot anista. Through chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra name, all living beings eligible to deliver from this miserable mundane world. So same meaning here, Prabhu tumi jiver mongala chinta kori. Oh my Lord, in order to deliver people, in order to make living entities' life auspicious, you appear in the form of holy name in this age. Yuga dharma pracharile nam sankirtan. This iron age, dharma, you spread what? Nam sankirtan. You spread nam sankirtan because it is yuga dharma, means it is the time for practicing religiosity. What is the time? Is it Kali Yuga, means this time, period of time. Kali, always deception, everywhere deception. Even the temple if you go, it is also very difficult to find the open-minded person. Always sectarian mood. Non-sectarian is very rare nowadays. Not only temple, not temple, everywhere. In school, if you go there, same thing. Even in the government office, just nowadays, just 10 days ago, about 10-15 days ago, there was election in India. Now you can see all about the news channel. Then how ruling party win the vote, and after that, who was the against party, whoever follower of the against party, how they are beating and killing. It is incredible. We are not able to think about it. Government should think about the people, how people can get benefit. But nowadays, because I am here 5 years, so last 10 years I was there, how much I managed to keep in my pocket. Now I have to keep more. And if you don't want to follow me, then I will destroy you. You know this, he accumulated so many Muslim, and all Muslim, he gave lots of facility. Even Muslim girls, students, if they are getting 50% marks in their examination, then they will get special scholarship, maybe monthly 2,000 rupees extra. But Hindu have no facility. In that way, even this imam means Muslim priest, they will get 3,000 rupees per month from this government. In that way, he accumulated a lot of Muslim in our favor. So Muslim cast their vote, but Muslim in West Bengal more than 30%. And Hindu is a foolish Hindu. They are also like, because he is also giving them facility. Just cut money means take bribe in my name, do some job and get money from as much as you can from the people. Such type of all deception. Instead of looking after people's need, which following me only I will help them, or which not following my party, I will kill them. That is the political party in Bengal at present. তো যুগ ধর্ম প্রচারিলে নাম সংকীর্তন মুখ্য পথে জীব পায় কৃষ্ণ প্রেম ধন। যুগ ধর্ম means this period of time, Kali Yuga. The dharma is Nam Sankirtan, chanting, congregational chanting. This is Mukhya path, means prime path. If you follow this congregational chanting, the living entity can get Krishna Prem. Krishna Prem means pure love for Krishna, what is needed for our life. When we establish the pure love for Krishna in our life, that means we become delivered from the miserable mundane world. Because as soon as we have such pure love for Krishna, we will not be anymore in this miserable mundane world. When a Supreme Lord will take us to his abode as his eternal servant. Therefore we have to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra under the shelter of pure devotee. Namer Smarane Ar Nam Sankirtan. To remember Nam and chant Nam. Remember means during the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we should always remember Supreme Lord. In this way, Bhaktivinoda will compose this. Name Smarane Ara Nam Sankirtan. Smaran means remember. An embodiment of holy name. It's Radha Krishna. We have to remember and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. এই মাত্র ধর্মজীব করিবে পালন। Simply this path is dharma for all living beings in this iron age. এই মাত্র means only this dharma, chanting Hare Krishna dharma, জীব করিবে living entity will perform it. This is prescribed by Haridas Thakur and written by our Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Shabda sadhan upay upayo অভেদ ক্রমে নামের মুখ্যতা। সাধ্য সাধন যেই তো সাধন সেই সাধ্য যবে হইল উপায় উপায় মধ্য ভেদ না রহিল। I already explained you. Sadhan means practice. Practice is Harinam. Sadha means to attain after practice. It is also Harinam. Why? Because Harinam and Supreme Lord is non-different. Upay means process, chanting. Upayo to attain after chanting. In between there is no difference in this iron age. Why? Because chanting and embodiment of chanting, form of chanting, there is no difference. So, this is the most easiest way we are able to deliver ourselves from this miserable world. You can see why I am always telling that miserable. Coronavirus, you can see. Coronavirus means COVID-19, which create turbulence in the entire world. It seems like man-made, but what to do? There is no proof, but we can gaze. One country wanted to be superpower, to reach superpower. Therefore, that country creates, after the huge research, they create such type of virus, and they spread around the world Now multiple way that virus spreading all over the world, especially you can see where people are gathering like a economic city, like in India, Bangalore, so many people affected. Then Delhi, economic city, so many people affected. Not only that, if I just look that Hyderabad, so many people are affected. And Calcutta is not that much economy strong, therefore not that much affected. To comparison with Delhi and Delhi, Bangalore. Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's so many people affected. Why? They are economic city, economic capital city. So therefore, this is my feeling that in order to destroy the economy of each country, especially in India, so one country is doing so. So we have to be very careful about it. Sadhere sadhane ar nahi antaray, anashe tore jeev tomaro kripay. Sadha means, again I am telling you, sadha means to attain after practice. Sadhana means practice. Ara nahi antara. There is no difference between practice and to attain after practice. There is no difference. Inside sadhana, sadha means Lord, to whom we want to attain. He is there. Anase, easily, jeev, living entities, can deliver by your mercy. Because Lord appeared in the holy name and He kept His entire potency to that holy name. Therefore, we are very fortunate to born in this iron age and after that we become connected with this parampara lineage. This is very fortunate, we are really fortunate. আমি তো অধম অতি মজিয়া বিষয়ে না বুঝিনু নাম তব অতি মূঢ় হয়ে I am really fallen. Srila Bhaktivinoda say, I am really fallen and fully absorbed for my sense gratification. Fully absorb myself, mojiya vishaya. Vishaya means material enjoyment. Fully engage myself for material enjoyment. Namajunu nam tabo oti mudo hoye. Therefore, I am not able to serve your holy name, means chant the holy name. Because I am foolish. Actually, Bhaktivinoda Thakur trying to say, who is not chanting in this iron age and simply engage themselves for material enjoyment only, they are fallen, they are foolish. Very heavy, but he said like that. He said, Amit adham oti mojiya vishaye. Nabhajinu nam tabo oti muro. Muro means foolish. Adham means fallen. Fallen and foolish, both. Dara dara dhara chakshe brahma haridas Padilopa bhur pade chadiya nishan. In the vision of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, after the conversation, so Haridas Thakur, just tear fall like a monsoon, tear fall, and also he fall to the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya. Haridas Thakur fallen, when he is prostrated obeisance and hold the feet of Lord Chaitanya. Such separation. Hari Bhakta Bhakti Matre Vinoda Jahan, Hari Nam Chintamani Jivana Tahar. Hari Bhakta, who is devotee of Lord Hari, his devotion only Vinod Jahan, who become blissful to observe devotion, they are real devotee of Lord Hari. Vinod Jahan. Vinod means blissful, feel pleasure, blissful. What? To practice devotion. They are real devotee of Lord Hari. Harinam Chintamani Jivanatahar. Then Harinam Chintamani, these books will be life of his. And his life is Harinam Chintamani book. So this first chapter over now. We will start from tomorrow the second chapter. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, Naam Grohan Vichar. How to chant on the beats. That what is the actual path to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, or actual way. That the second chapter. So we will start tomorrow. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.